nature's butter with powerful nutrition, let's talk about the benefits of avocados. From ancient Aztec diets to modern superfood lists, avocados have stood the test of time. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and support a healthy heart. Rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, they deeply nourish your skin and hair from within. The fiber and healthy fats in avocados help you stay full longer and reduce unhealthy snacking. Avocados help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K more effectively. Mash it on toast, blend it in smoothies, or add it to salads. Just don't overdo it, it's calorie dense. Follow for more food wisdom.